How to add a keyframe in CapCut on a PC. Hey guys, in today's tutorial we are diving into the world of video editing with CapCut on your PC. Specifically, we'll show you how to add keyframe to your clips for those smooth and customized animation. Let's get started. First thing first, open your CapCut on your PCs. If you haven't already, you can download it from their official website or your Microsoft Store. Now that we're inside CapCut, let's import the video clip where you want to add keyframe. Click on import and select your file. Then simply drag and drop the video in the first layer. You should see your video in the timeline. Let's find the exact moment where you want to add a keyframe. Let's find the exact moment where we want to add a keyframe. Here is add a keyframe option. Click on it. Now that we have our first keyframe, now let's add the second one. I want to add my second keyframe here, so I'll simply add one more. And then I'll go to the first one and I'll just simply zoom in. With the playhead and the desired position, make changes to your clip like adjusting its position, size or rotation. Let's rotate the video. If you want to add rotation in specific moment, click on the rotate keyframe. I'll add a keyframe and I'll rotate it. And here I'll add a second keyframe. You can fine tune your animation by adjusting properties at each keyframe. CapCut will automatically create smooth transition between them. Before finalizing, make sure to preview your animation to make sure it looks the way you want it. Let's preview it. Once you're satisfied with your animation, it's time to export your video. Click on export and choose your export setting. And there you have it. You have successfully added keyframe to your video in CapCut on your PC, allowing you to create customized animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic editing tips and tutorials. If you have any question or any suggestion, feel free to leave them in comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.